Hello and welcome to Budget with Brian, and today I've got some holes to drill, but what I wanted to show you was this fantastic Bosch kit for drilling, cutting holes. These are hole saws. Picked up at the FFX show. These are quite interesting because you can change the hole saw quite quickly. It's got like a quick release thing. Not dissimilar in idea to the X-Lock that you're seeing on the new grinders and so on, which seems to be open to other manufacturers to make parts for. But this is a different locking system. So you get an arbor and a couple of these drill bits that just push in and out. And very similarly, they push in and out for the for the hole saw itself. So it's working out, pretty well that you can just take one off, put another one on. So let's see how well they cut holes. I'm going to cut the big one first, and then I'm going to swap over to using this smaller one. Comes in a really nice, neat case, which is sprung loaded, and they clip in and out of that as well. So again, a really nice feature. Okay, so let's get this loaded up. Okay, X marks the spot. I've already checked below that there's nothing to drill through, and away we go. So this is on the high setting, and this has got some great torque on it, so hopefully we'll go straight through. So it's always good to clear the sawdust out as you're going through. Boom, and I'm through. So that was just as easy to then knock that cutout out. You can just go at an angle and just push it out, and you're ready to cut your next one. But I'm cutting another size now. Boom, I'm in, I'm ready to go. X marks the spot. Clear the sawdust off, stop it burning. And I'm through. Next one. Actually, I've still got that core in there, so let's get that cleared out. And I'm through, all done. So I can easily disassemble that, take it out the chuck, get the case out, put them away in the order that they come in, and I'm on to my next job. Thanks again for watching Budget with Brian. All the links to these products will be down below. And don't forget, you can find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. And don't forget, subscribe!